Alright, thanks for tuning into Leading Forecast. Let's get on over to it. We have a little bit of stuff to talk about here today. Low pressure system. This is a satellite. Here's your low sitting up here. Not wanting to write. And you can see here's that spin around the low there and the front drape down across this area of the day. And we're going to see showers and potentially severe thunderstorms break out across this front today as we get into the afternoon. Current radar, you can see we do have some showers up here that are wrapping around the backside of that low. We also have some showers going on down across the southeast as well as the Four Corners region. But we will see more thunderstorms initiate down across this region as we get into probably the next 4 to 5 hours. Here is the severe weather outlook. You can see here's a slight risk coming down all the way into Texas. From Nebraska to Texas, I think your main area for severe thunderstorms, especially don't want to say severe thunderstorms, but tornadic activity, I would say will probably be down into this area here, places like Elk City, down towards Alma, over towards maybe even over towards Amarillo. We'll get in on some severe weather as far as tornadoes later on today. I don't think it'll be a major outbreak, but wouldn't be surprised to see a couple, 2-3 reports coming out of that area. Tomorrow, C-Text again is across almost the same region, out across this area here. And then as we get into Sunday, C-Text down here as well as out into the Florida Peninsula for a tropical disturbance that will be running up there. So the potential for maybe some gusty winds as you get into Sunday. Here's my later on today. Here's your low pressure system sitting up here. Your front's dragging down across this area, initiating showers and thunderstorms all the way down into Texas, all the way up to Nebraska. Again, the majority, I think, of your tornadic storms will probably be down into this area today. We'll just have to wait and see. Showers and thunderstorms going down here across the southeast. Big high pressure system dominating the pattern here across most of the eastern portion of the United States, giving them kind of warmer and sunny skies. But that will eventually be pushed out of here, and we'll show you that here in just a minute. This is as we get into tomorrow, Saturday. Here's the remainder of that storm coming down. Very heavy rains up across the Nebraska area out into the northern plains. We also have the heavy rains out from basically Enid, Oklahoma, down towards Elk City, Alma, Lawson, and eventually down into west central Texas. And of course this area down here really needs the rain, so as much rain as we can get really is needed. Of course, what they're predicting with the forecast models here, we could see some places could see several inches of rain, and that would be a problem, which could result in some flooding. We also have there's that tropical disturbance trying to get going tomorrow down across the Florida Peninsula, and of course your high risk is still, or your high pressure system is still kind of dominating the weather pattern up to the northeast. This is as we get into Sunday, and here's a little low that's formed here. Here's some showers and thunderstorms getting going along that low. Again, a lot of rain coming up along this front here, and so again, the drought-stricken Texas down there, they're getting some much needed rain this weekend. And then as we get down to the southeast, here's your tropical low pressure system getting going. All the showers and stuff associated with that, it's going to move off to the northeast or northwest and north. This is as we get into Wednesday. The thing kind of like skedaddles up from down here in the tropics and goes up this way. Here's your next system coming through, front kind of draped down through here. Showers and thunderstorms getting going out across the Midwest here. Too early to tell if these will be severe or not. Maybe not. Right now with the fall season, the models are having issues with the instability more than a few days out, so we'll just have to wait and see on that. Then as we get into, or here's the 500 millibar map, I guess. This is later on today. Big low at 500 millibars up here. We got a trough coming in here, and of course that's going to help spark severe weather out across this area of the day. And then as we get into, wow, this really just kind of skipped ahead here. What's going on? This is as we get into tomorrow. Here's that low pressure, big kind of almost a cutoff low, but it isn't necessarily cut off just yet. But the big trough dipping in here. We could see some gusty storms out here tomorrow. As we get into Wednesday, here comes your next trough. Now we're going to have to skip back. And this is as we get into next Thursday. Your trough really digs into the northeast and get that nice negative tilt and get some rain and thunderstorm activity going up to the northeast. And so that's really all we have for the day. Severe weather today, and potentially maybe even a little bit tomorrow. And of course, we'll have to watch the tropics for that tropical disturbance running up the East Coast. But other than that, we're pretty quiet. So that's really all I have for the day. You can view this on swiftchaseteam.com or thedailyforecast.net. Have a great weekend.